Hey, and welcome to Unspin Your Mind. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to deal with postpartum anxiety. If you're a new mom, you may be familiar with the baby blues, which are common and usually resolve on their own within a few weeks after giving birth. However, if you're experiencing more intense or persistent feelings of worry, irritability, or difficulty sleeping, you may be struggling with postpartum anxiety. Postpartum anxiety is a common and treatable condition that can occur after giving birth. It's important to recognize the symptoms and seek help if they are disrupting your daily life or causing significant distress. In this video, we'll talk about what postpartum anxiety is, the symptoms to look out for, and some tips and strategies for coping with it. We understand that seeking help for postpartum anxiety can be difficult, but it's important to remember that it's a common and treatable condition. Seeking help is a sign of strength and can make a big difference in your well-being and the well-being of your family. So if you're struggling with postpartum anxiety, know that you're not alone and that there is hope. What is postpartum anxiety? Postpartum anxiety is a common and treatable condition that can occur after giving birth. It is characterized by intense feelings of worry, irritability, and difficulty sleeping that can disrupt daily life and cause significant distress. While it is normal to experience some changes in mood and emotions after giving birth, postpartum anxiety is more severe and lasts longer than the baby blues, which usually resolve on their own within a few weeks. Postpartum anxiety can be triggered by a variety of factors, including hormonal changes, lack of sleep, and stress. It is also more common in individuals who have a history of anxiety or depression. In some cases, postpartum anxiety can be accompanied by other postpartum mood disorders, such as postpartum depression or postpartum psychosis. Symptoms of postpartum anxiety can vary from person to person, but some common signs to look out for include constant worry, feeling excessively worried or fearful about the health and well-being of your baby, your ability to care for your baby or other aspects of your life, difficulty sleeping, having trouble falling asleep, staying asleep, or getting enough rest, irritability, feeling more easily frustrated, annoyed, or angry than usual, difficulty concentrating, struggling to focus or pay attention to tasks or conversations. Physical symptoms, experiencing physical symptoms such as racing heart, sweaty palms, or difficulty breathing. If you are experiencing these symptoms and they are disrupting your daily life or causing significant distress, it is important to seek help. Postpartum anxiety is treatable, and seeking help can make a big difference in your well-being and the well-being of your family. It's important to remember that postpartum anxiety is not your fault, and it does not mean you are a bad mother. Many new moms experience postpartum anxiety, and it is not a sign of weakness to seek help. In fact, seeking help is a sign of strength and can lead to a better quality of life for you and your family. Causes of postpartum anxiety can be triggered by a variety of factors, including hormonal changes, lack of sleep, and stress. Let's take a closer look at some possible causes of postpartum anxiety. Hormonal changes, pregnancy, childbirth, and breastfeeding can all cause significant hormonal changes in a woman's body. These changes can affect mood and contribute to feelings of anxiety. Lack of sleep. Taking care of a newborn can be demanding, and many new moms struggle to get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can contribute to feelings of anxiety and irritability. Stress. Becoming a parent can be a major life change, and it can be stressful to adjust to the new responsibilities and demands of caring for a baby. Stress can also be exacerbated by other factors, such as financial concerns, relationship strain, or lack of support. Previous experiences with anxiety or depression. If you have a history of anxiety or depression, you may be more at risk for developing postpartum anxiety. It's important to discuss any previous mental health issues with your healthcare provider during pregnancy and after giving birth. It's important to note that postpartum anxiety can be triggered by a combination of factors. It's also possible for postpartum anxiety to occur without any clear cause. If you are experiencing symptoms of postpartum anxiety, it is important to seek help regardless of the cause. A therapist or counselor can work with you to identify possible triggers and develop coping strategies. In some cases, medication may also be recommended to help manage symptoms. Tips for coping with postpartum anxiety. If you are struggling with postpartum anxiety, there are many things you can do to manage your symptoms and improve your well-being. Here are some tips and strategies for coping with postpartum anxiety. Seek support from loved ones. It's important to have a strong support system during this time. Talk to your partner, friends, or family members about how you are feeling and ask for their help and support. You may also consider joining a support group for new moms or connecting with other moms in your community. Practice relaxation techniques. There are many relaxation techniques that can help reduce stress and anxiety, such as deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, and mindfulness meditation. Find a technique that works for you and try incorporating it into your daily routine. Set aside time for self-care. Taking care of a newborn can be demanding, but it's important to make time for yourself. Try to carve out small moments for self-care, whether it's taking a warm bath, going for a walk, or practicing a hobby you enjoy. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can contribute to anxiety, so it's important to prioritize getting enough rest. Try to establish a regular sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine. You may also consider asking your partner or a trusted family member or friend to help with nighttime feedings or other tasks so you can get more rest. Eat a healthy diet. A healthy diet can help improve your mood and energy levels. Try to eat a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, and limit your intake of caffeine and sugar. Seek professional help. If your symptoms persist or are severe, it may be helpful to seek professional help. A therapist or counselor can provide support and coping strategies, and a doctor may prescribe medication if necessary. Don't be afraid to ask for help, as it takes strength and courage to seek treatment, and it can make a big difference in your well-being and the well-being of your family. Remember, you are not alone in your struggle with postpartum anxiety. Many new moms experience this condition, and it is a common and treatable condition. By seeking support and utilizing coping strategies, you can manage your symptoms and improve your well-being. So let's wrap it up. In conclusion, postpartum anxiety is a common and treatable condition that can occur after giving birth. If you are experiencing intense feelings of worry, irritability, or difficulty sleeping that are disrupting your daily life or causing significant distress, it is important to seek help. There are many strategies you can try to cope with postpartum anxiety, such as seeking support from loved ones, practicing relaxation techniques, setting aside time for self-care, and getting enough sleep. It is also important to seek professional help if symptoms persist or are severe. A therapist or counselor can provide support and coping strategies, and a doctor may prescribe medication if necessary. Remember, you are not alone in your struggle with postpartum anxiety. Many new moms experience this condition, and it is a common and treatable condition. Seeking help is a sign of strength and can make a big difference in your well-being and the well-being of your family. Don't be afraid to ask for help, as it takes courage and strength to seek treatment, and it can lead to a better quality of life for you and your family. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos about psychology, personal growth, and much more. Check out this playlist of our most popular videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.